Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to get 7 enchantments on boots step by step. Start by listing desired enchants like Protection, Feather Falling, and Depth Strider before you craft. Gather books, lappies, and an anvil, plus extra levels for combining. Use grindstone only to remove unwanted enchants when necessary and keep backups of your best boots. Manage enchantment conflicts and accept trade-offs to reach a 7 enchant result efficiently. Before you start combining, stockpile enchanted books and ensure you have a reliable XP farm to reach needed levels. Keep an anvil in your inventory and carry extra boots so you can move enchants without risking your main pair. Use an enchantment table to create books, then refine with a grindstone when an unwanted enchant appears. This preparation saves time and prevents costly mistakes during the multi-step combining process. Work from low-cost merges to high-cost final combinations, pairing books to keep XP expenditures low and predictable. If 2 enchants conflict, place one temporarily on another armor piece, then move it back after resolving issues. Track the prior work penalty as you combine so you never hit an unexpectedly high anvil cost. Save your most valuable books for the final steps and keep a backup boot to preserve a clean enchant path.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.